ready. Are you serious right now?
All right guys, welcome back to another video. We are absolutely going helmet crazy here over at Sledaddicz. You guys know we love our technology, we love helmets. And honestly, the companies are doing such a great job now just driving innovation and all the technology that they're putting into trail riding helmets now that we just have to try them all and see what they're like and hopefully bring you guys kind of the latest and greatest information, so you guys can make your own informed decisions on what makes sense for you. Before we get into this video today, just want to let you guys know, we've had amazing growth with the channel, and Jesse and I were just looking at some of the analytics actually the other day. About 80% of our viewers on our channel are actually not subscribed to the channel. So it would be a huge help as content creators on YouTube if you guys just look down below the video and hit that subscribe button for us. It means a lot. It really helps and goes a long way for YouTube creators like us. All right, so brand new from 509 this year is the Delta Commander helmet that we were able to pre-order. This is the carbon fiber edition, and honestly, they've driven a lot of tech and really cool features into this helmet. We're gonna do a full unboxing video today and just kind of show you guys the helmet overall. I know that they're just starting to ship this helmet as of November, so if you guys ordered it, if you saw it, we saw it at the show, and you'll be getting it probably anytime this month if you have ordered it. I'm going to talk just through some initial impressions and some initial features about the helmet that we think are pretty cool. The real big thing and the big reason why we went down this route to order this helmet this year is really because they've partnered up with Cardo. And you guys know that we love our Cardo Pack Talk communications, and it now comes integrated into the Delta Commander helmet. So that's pretty awesome, and definitely something that Jesse and I and our entire riding group obviously have been using Cardos for years. And it's really cool to see them driving that partnership with them to integrate that technology into the helmet. So we're gonna take a look at it, see, obviously, hopefully get it on the trail in about a month or so. Once we get some snow, we can get up to Cochrane and try it out. But for today, for the purposes of today, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing, show you guys what it comes with, show you guys some of the features of it, and then hopefully that helps you guys if you are looking for a new trail riding helmet this year. All right, so we got this new 509 just on the bench here, and again, just gonna give you guys a quick unboxing video of the helmet. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. First thing I noticed, 509 does an awesome job as a marketing guy. I really appreciate packaging, and the boxing for this is actually beautiful. Fueling your passion, so imagine some instructions and stuff in there. Okay, well that's awesome. Something that's definitely a step up than some of the other helmets we've seen. This comes with a beautiful case, helmet bag with it. And then inside the box, obviously you're gonna get your cords for your heated visor connector, as well as your USB-C cable to plug in and charge. And we'll talk about some of that stuff in a sec. Really nice helmet bag. Let's unzip this puppy and take a look. And another just lighter shell over top of the helmet. So right out of the gate, love that. All right, that's actually kind of cool too. So most of the other helmet bags, this one's just kind of like a stretchy material, no actual cord on it to tighten it up. So I actually quite like that. Wow. Oh man, that is beautiful. Okay, so right off the bat, this helmet is gorgeous. Definitely one of the better looking helmets. This might actually be my favorite so far. You can see the integrated Cardo, really sleek on the side. That's amazing. Very nice. So it does have just a bit of a, I wouldn't say this is like a full breath box. This is really just a piece that kind of goes over and will cover the nose, which is nice. And you know, the big thing with this helmet, just in terms of airflow, so you've got two vents on the front, and airflow is directed through there and out the back of the helmet there. So you can see those vents. Really beautiful setup. Now, oh, so you've got another on the opposite side, some more connections for Cardo. So that just looks like it's a power on button there. So we're gonna have to check all that out. That's pretty sweet. So a couple of other features I think that are really unique about this helmet. So the first thing is this helmet has an air pump system. And it's funny, this reminds me, for you know, anybody who remembers the old Reebok pumps, it's got a push button that you use right here on this side, and it actually inflates the helmet so you get a really secure fit. I've tried it. I tried it at the Toronto show this year, and honestly, it works amazing. And that little button back there is just how it all deflates. So once you get this helmet on, you pump up the back, creates a really secure fit. And that should help with not just the fitment, but it should also help with sound quality, as well as minimizing what I'm hoping will become a really, really quiet helmet inside. JBL speakers inside, so high quality audio, which is something that we always love, just considering we listen to music while we ride quite often. So that's great. Beautiful carbon fiber finish. They call this kind of the integrated chase light. And I can actually see right there, there's a plug in there for the USB-C. So I imagine that's part of the charging for the helmet. So that's pretty cool. So again, no need to take off the communicators. We're really used to taking off the comms, taking them inside at lunch. No need to do that anymore. You basically are just plugging in your helmet. It looks like there's another plug here. So I'm going to assume, okay, so that's different. So inside, on the inside here, right into the back of the Cardo is what you're plugging in. And I'm assuming that's also gonna provide the power to the heated visor as well. So I'm gonna have to try that, but that looks to be your connection. Hopefully you can pick this up on camera. Right inside there on the left side, there's actually a little plug. And when I look at the cord that comes with the helmet, that is the connection that I'm seeing. Just gonna take this out just to quickly show you. Yeah, so it's that kind of a connector right there, which just plugs in on that left side. Pretty slick, very cool. We'll check into all that stuff later. All right, we'll throw those in there for now. All right, so on top of the helmet, you just got this little button there. That just opens up the vent in here. So what I'm really liking initially, and again, we got to get it on the trail to try it, but the ventilation throughout the helmet looks fantastic. So you can open up that vent. Sometimes, you know, you get sweaty or you get a lot of heat up top. You can open that and hopefully that cools, hopefully helps cool it a little bit more. And then again, I'm assuming it does the same thing, and then air comes out these two vents on the back. So this looks like a really well vented helmet. Super lightweight. This one here is 1,750 grams. So this is on par with some of the other carbon fiber helmets that are out there already, which is fantastic. Super lightweight. Now what they have is this awesome fidlock system, and this is quite unique. It's like a magnetic chin strap. I actually only did it once at the show, but there it is, that's it. It just connects, and it's super strong. Like you can't get it apart until you actually just pull. That's so cool. Until you pull this red flap to take it off. So that is super, super slick. I know I'm used to the, you know, the ones that sort of click together, and then same thing, you sort of pull it, and then you have to pull it apart. Sometimes it can be a little bit of a pain, but I mean, that is really slick. Bit of a, you know, cover for the front chin here. It doesn't have a full neck protector. So, so that's a bit different than some of the other helmets, but you know, you've got this piece in here which should help with just keeping the chin and kind of front neck area warm. So obviously, again, I'm gonna expect that there's probably a built-in mic just based on the video that I was watching. And yeah, so on the front of the helmet here, kind of up on the inside, you'll see right in there, there's a built-in mic. That's always something that, you know, is concerning for me. I just want to make sure the front of that helmet gets wet with moisture condensation usually, and sometimes it impacts the microphones. We've had that happen with the Cardos before. So hopefully, you know, it'll stay nice and toasty in there, and, you know, we won't have that happen. I see a couple of more openings for vents here as well on the front, looks like. Let's see, how do those work? Yeah. So 2 more vents in the front. You can open those, and I'm assuming, and again, we'll have to try it. We won't know until we get on the trail. But there are 2 more tabs in the front here, kind of like sliders that you can open and close. So we'll have to check that out. 1 on each side. Really, really slick. I mean, I gotta say, so far from any of the helmets that we've bought, and you guys know that we're nuts and we've basically bought them all, that's my favorite looking helmet from the bunch so far, just at first glance. They've done a really, really nice job on designing this helmet. The lines, everything about it, it's super ergonomic, and I cannot wait to try this one. This one looks amazing. All right, guys, well, that concludes kind of the video on this new Delta Commander helmet from 509, the carbon fiber edition. This thing looks absolutely sick. Can't wait to get it and actually try it on the trail just to see how it performs for us, you know, in comparison to some of the other helmets. And you guys know we've pretty much, you know, tried them all, and that's what we try to do is really, you know, we have the opportunity to get our hands on some of these buckets, and you know, we know it's a lot of money for people to shell out for helmets these days. I think this one comes in at around 900 bucks Canadian for the 509 carbon fiber edition. They have a couple of other models, or I believe one other model that's, you don't have to get the carbon fiber. It's about 100 bucks cheaper. So, you know, we try to do our best to, you know, get a hold of the helmets, put them to the test, put some miles on them and see how they perform. But again, just at first glance, this is definitely a beautiful looking helmet. And I'm really excited to try it. So kudos to 509 for pushing the envelope. You know, again, just continuing to sort of drive the innovation for us trail riders with some of these new helmets and some of the integrated technology with them. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it, and we'll see you on the next one.